Hey, apologies for this delay of connecting to a connector. How many of you are mobile app engineers or front-end devs over here? Any raise of hands? Wow, that's still a huge number. So yeah, I'm Asad, co-founder at Drizz. So we are building computer use agents for mobile app testing. Now, any night before a launch, when you are doing your releases to production, test may be green at some point in time, a new UI has changed, and every test kind of breaks. A new pop-up has come, and you may find the bug, but it could be ki, hey, the bug is in the test and not exactly the app. And you are just debugging over a period of time, and then you think, ki, okay, we should ship it. So if any one of you have faced such a problem, we are here to solve that. So mobile app testing currently is super broken. Tests take hours to write, manual handling of pop-ups, test runs are very slow, and end-to-end functional coverage drops as app complexity grows. Debugging failures is very, very time-consuming. In order to solve this, like what is like a utopian state that looks like? The test gets automatically written, they are very fast to execute, they heal automatically, and they debug automatically as well. So if you think that is something that can be achieved, we have already achieved that with our thing. Here is the demo. So the way it kind of works is very simple. You come and write your test in plain, simple English prompts, and it's going to connect to your local emulator, and now it's going to execute each of these actions. Now the key thing over here is the accuracy, the speed, and the deterministic nature of test that we have been able to achieve. Now, this is a very simple flow of booking an Uber, and you are validating ki, hey, like if I add a payment method, can I get a gift card option as well? So this kind of runs over here. Now, the other thing that we have been able to achieve, and this is where we are working on, ki even if you don't have to write that much English. So yeah. Okay, I'll just complete that. Ki you don't have to write that much English. You give a high-level prompt. It will perform the test and give you a deterministic test script so that you can execute next time. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Find me at drizz.dev.